I'm going to miss that place if it don't open up. Yeah, a lot of my friends go in there, get the cold coffee, iced coffee, I guess it's called.
She is enjoying some coffee this morning because, Flossie, you say you're a little tired this morning. Is that right?
I am tired.
Max, I'm here.
Of creating a more peaceful world. Please clap.
This is not my snow.
Yes,
this is not your snow.
This is my property.
This is the snow.
It doesn't matter.
Oh,
this is
calm
my
down.
property.
Why are you being
don't
such an
blow
asshole?
your snow on my property. You don't put any snow that was where you were on my property.
Okay, Gary. Because you're Gary, right?
Thank you for leaving my kayak alone. I'm going to pepper spray you in the face. That's what I'm going to do to you. Bear, stop that! Bear! Bear, stop that! Bear, stop that!
Surprised you ain't pissing your pants already.
I'm not, because it's all on video.
Thank God. Thank you, Jesus Christ, for videos. Yeah!
I pulled Trump on you.
What's your name?
Huh? My name is your worst enemy.
Tim League.
From Noah's flood to my front yard, how much better could it get?
You see them stains on there? See the stains? That's for me. A squirting.
Ah! Ah! Oh, where's it going? God damn, Bill.
Barack Hussein Obama? Give us a break.
This is on our radio station that our kids are listening to. I am so upset.